from the Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm going to show you how to make an ombre heart wreath for our February 2024 Adult Take and Make Kit.
So we have provided you with 5 sheets of ombre paper and a cardboard wreath form. And I would recommend using your own ruler, pencil, scissors, and hot glue gun. So start off by taking one piece of your ombre paper and simply fold it in half. And once you fold it in half, take your cardboard wreath form and put it in the center of that paper. And use your pencil to just trace 2 curves on the left and right side of your paper. And then take your scissors and cut out that shape. And once you've cut it out, just unfold that piece of paper and flatten out the crease in the center and cut along that center crease. And you should have 2 shapes instead of just 1. So just repeat those steps with the remaining 4 pieces of paper so you have a total of 10 shapes cut out. So go ahead and take one piece of paper, a pencil, and a ruler, and you're going to go ahead and, using your pencil and ruler, mark a line on the left and right side of the bottom of your shape at about 1/4 of an inch up. And if you'd like, you can use your ruler to help you fold upwards so that you have a 1/4 inch wide fold. And then you're simply going to continue that fold accordion style, keeping the 1/4 inch width of each fold until you've folded the entirety of your paper. Once you've folded your paper completely, you're just going to fold it one more time in the middle. And you'll see that that will form a heart shape. So those are going to be your hearts for your wreath. Then using your hot glue gun and your heart shape, you are going to simply put a line of glue down the center of your heart and affix both sides of the heart to each other. And you might want to hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds so that it really sticks well. And when you release it, you should have a nice heart shape. Now simply repeat that process with all of your shapes until you have 10 glued hearts. Next, you're simply going to lay out the hearts on your cardboard wreath form, and you can use whatever design that you would like. I would just recommend that when you're choosing the layout of your design to cover all of the cardboard on the wreath form so that none of it is showing. And then taking your pencil, just mark off the bottom tip of each heart so that you know where to place it when you're gluing it in the next step. And for your final step, you're going to simply take your completed hearts, the cardboard wreath form, and your hot glue gun, and you're going to glue along the back of each heart and affix it to the cardboard wreath form. And I would recommend pressing down for about 10 seconds per heart to make sure it really sticks to the wreath form. And bear in mind to match up the bottom point of your heart with the points that you have marked off in pencil in the previous step, so that you're following the design and the layout that you prefer. Also, I would recommend starting by gluing the hearts that are going to be at the top of your wreath first, as they'll form the backmost layer of hearts, and then moving downwards until the last thing that you're gluing will be the 2 hearts that form the frontmost layer of your wreath. At the bottom of your wreath, those will be the last 2 that you'll glue. And it also doesn't hurt to sort of, in your design, hide any hearts that might have been less well-formed in one of the back layers. There you have it, your ombre heart wreath. Now you can flip it over and use that hole in the back and some string and hang it, or you can use some double-sided tape to hang it. And don't miss our upcoming programs.